Hey everybody, let's solve this complementary angle problem together. Okay, so first of all, come over here and grab a pen or marker. Okay, so what we know is that these two angles, when formed together, okay, make a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So that means if I add up x plus 20 and 63, okay, it's going to equal 90. So that's going to be our equation. So it's going to be x plus 20. And then add 63 to that. And together, it's going to equal 90. All right, now before we can solve, we can simplify, right? Because we can add 20 and 63, and that's going to be 83. So x plus 83 is going to equal 90. And now we just subtract 83 from both sides. And 90 take away 83 gives us an answer of 7. So x equals 7.